So I've been a fan of AMD Radeon graphics cards since early in my professional career when they were still ATI. And one of the challenges I've had with the AMD and recently is they've had very good entry-level graphics cards, but nothing that really attracted me as a high-end user outside of their Instinct cards, which were a little out of my price range. But they finally released something, and that's this, the Radeon VII. I am really excited about this graphics card. So I thought I'd take a minute and open it up with you on camera. So here it is. So this is the Radeon VII retail packaging. I got a letter here, which I don't know if this means that I'm one of the first 10 that ordered the card or the graphics card or not, because I heard Lisa Su was signing a card for the first 10 people. So I'm going to open this up, have a little look-see. Let's see what it says. Holy crap. Look at that. Look at that. Congratulations on being a proud owner of Radeon VII. Enjoy. Best, Lisa Su. That is fantastic. So I ordered this as soon as the product was up on their website, and this is pretty awesome, I have to admit. That is kind of cool. So I'm going to put that somewhere special. So let's open the box up, see what we get in here. I guess we should look at the box first. So, Radeon VII. This box contains Radeon VII graphics card instructions. Doesn't really give a lot of the specs. Pretty actually blank of any specs. So let's just open it up. We're going to have to open both sides to try to push out the card. There we go. And trying to bang the mic. What do we got? Well, we've got a cardboard divider. What's inside here? Some instructions, some serial number stuff, warranty information. Let's move on. Oh, ha, 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 look at that. First off, the first thing I'm going to say about it is this is a heavy card. Actually surprised at exactly how heavy it is. I've got a 980 Ti in my machine right now, and it is not this heavy. That is a dense card. It's a pretty good looking. Now I do like their transition from the blower style. This is still a blower style. You can still see that it's got the vent on the side. We got 3 display port and a full-size HDMI. Got 8 power pins on the top. You know, I saw one of the reviews was talking about the different fans on here. They're slightly different fans. These are an aggressive fan profile, I have to admit. But it is a really sharp-looking card. Now, one thing I did notice, the Vega 64 is significantly shorter than this. One of the reasons I didn't buy a Vega 64 was because it just didn't have the performance of something that I wanted in a 4K card, 4K gaming card. This should be able to do it. Pretty nice looking backplate. I might not leave those stickers on there. Now, if I remember correctly, this is not a heat dissipating card, but it's meant just for style, but that's fine. Or heat dissipating back cover. It is totally sealed on this side too, which is interesting. So it's not like a true blower card, and it's not like an open card for the chassis. So you can see lots of ventilation on the bottom, which is strange because that's going to be pretty close to the motherboard. All right, so that's the the Radeon 7 opened up, and a pretty cool little card. So that's pretty nice. I'm pretty happy about that. I think that that's pretty cool. I think this is officially one of them. I don't think they're giving fakes out. So, all right, there you go. Thanks for joining with Digital Bits today. I'm going to put this in the card this afternoon and see what kind of performance improvements I get if I'm able to move on from the 980 Ti and get some 4K gaming going. So, thank you for joining. This is Ethan with Digital Bits. Thanks. Bye-bye.